Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Patil and today we are discussion on air conditioner. So the air conditioner were discovered in 1902 by the Williams uh, and Lewis. So the air conditioner is basically make room cool. So how it's processed? Basically, air conditioner takes place heat from the the premises and the humidity and release it from the rooms, and when returning it comes with the cool air in a form of powders and droplets. So basically the AC is two types. That's active cooling, and another one is ultrasonic cooling. So that's the basic funda of cooling, and the cooling mainly uh, the air conditioner has a several advantages. It's reduce pain, it's reduce the severity, also it reduce the stress, and it's give the pure air, as well as the it's provide a better sleep. So that's a advantage of air conditioner, but it has several disadvantages just like that advantages. So the disadvantages are the according to survey, the ACs are responsible for the global warming. Now, till date, the 75% in the world people use AC in a home as well as the industry or office or anywhere. So it creates a global warming. That's why the lot of people face this high temperature, high temperature, as well as the animals and birds also feel this high temperature due to that global warming. uh, so it's keep inside room cool, but outside it makes global warming. So that's the you know this is the prime disadvantage, and it is very harmful for us. So uh, I think the everyone like a cooling area uh, when you are suffering from the heat, because of the AC's ability to maintain the humidity of the room, but in a limitation. So as well as the ACs uh, AC are required for the biological products as well as the pharmaceutical industry, or the foods foods you have to fresh, to have to keep it fresh. So uh, that's it.